Every day, there's a new headline about AI taking jobs, replacing workers, and changing everything. But instead of panicking, I decided to run an experiment and hired this cat, plus a stack of AI tools to replace real people. First up, therapist. AI can generate comforting phrases in milliseconds, but can it actually sit with someone's pain? Our professional just keeps hitting the auto-reply button, and somehow it feels even more robotic than the chatbot. Next, plumber. AI is great at diagrams, instructions, even step-by-step fixes, but pipes don't care about perfect theory. One confident tap on Fix All Later, and the entire bathroom turns into an indoor waterfall. Then we tried kindergarten teacher. Lesson plans, easy, slides, beautiful. But real kids don't follow scripts. They chase laser dots, they swarm the cat, and suddenly our AI-powered teacher is one tiny fuzzy ball of panic. Over and over, the pattern is the same. AI handles the clean, predictable parts. The messy, emotional, hands-on chaos, that still belongs to humans for now. So the question isn't, will AI take every job? It's, what can you do that a cat with a chatbot still can't? Learn that, and you're already more future-proof than you think.